Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today we are going to discuss about graph ADT. In previous session we have discussed what is graph ADT, the definition of graph, what is the purpose of graph, and in today's session we are going to discuss about the types of graph. This is the today's agenda. We are going to recap the previous session, and we are going to just review the scenario, that is a problem statement and the definition, and then we'll see about graph data structure. So this is the graph ADT, and we have discussed the 0, 1, 4, 3, 2. These are all the vertices of the graph, or else we can say nodes of the graph, and the connection between 0 and 1, there is a link, there is a line between 0 and 1. So this we call it as an edge of the graph. So connections we call it as edge of the graph. This is the problem statement. Previously, we have just seen this scenario. So this is about person Arun. He's a system architect of a logistic company, and he needs to design a city road network in order to deliver his goods. Okay, so he needs to keeps track of the delivery stops, as well as he needs to keep track of the traffic condition. That is, whereas any congestion occurs in the road, he needs to get that updates also. So this is the scenario. For this type of scenario, uh, we have ideated a solution like graph ADT. Graph ADT can solve this solution. We can form a network. With the help of that, we can arrive the solution. So just identify the vertices and edges of the graph. So in previous lecture we have discussed what is a vertex or node and what is called edge. So for this graph we have to identify the vertex and the edge of the graph. So here 0, 3, 2, 1 are the vertices of the graph, and this line indicates the edge, or else we say the connection of the vertices. Okay, so 0, 3, 2, 1 are the vertices, and edges are nothing but 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So these are all the edges of the graph. Next, we'll see the graph terminologies. Some important and notable terminologies we discuss here. The first one is path of the graph. When I say path, so it is nothing but the sequence of the edges between the nodes, between the edges. For example, A to D, from A to D, is there any path? Yes. So we can represent this path from A to D as A to B, B to C, C to D. From A is my source and D is my destination. Just consider A is my source and D is my destination. So what is the path between A to D? So for this I can say A to B, B to C, C to D. And what is the path between A to G, A to F, F to G? So A to E is a path. So likewise we can say the sequence of edges connecting the nodes are the path. And next is the adjacency. Adjacency of a node. Just take this particular node A. If I need to find the adjacency of A, adjacent vertex of A, I need to check the connected nodes of A. A is connected with B, E and F. Okay, B, E and F. So the adjacent vertex of A is nothing but B, E, F. And also for D, the adjacent vertex is C. Okay, for C, the adjacent vertex is D. So like that, when I say adjacency, we have to see the direct connection between connection from the particular node. Okay, and edge is nothing but the connection between the vertex. This we call it as the edge, and vertex are the nodes. This A, B, E, F, G, C, D. So these are all the vertex of the node. With this, we are ending this session, and we'll discuss the types of graphs in the next session. Thank you.